Question number 3, and here is written, in the following APs find the missing terms in the boxes. And first question, which I have already copied over here, and in this AP this is A, and here will be A2, and this is A3, and here we need to find its second term or A2, right? And as we know, if we have A, that is first term, and D, that is common difference, then we can easily find any other terms of the AP, right? And here in this AP, first term, that is A, has been given, which is 2. So here we just need to find its common difference so that we can obtain its second term, right? And students, actually we can solve this question by two ways, by using formula or by using general form of AP, right? And here I am going to solve this question by using general form of AP, and according to general form of AP, this A3 can be written as A3 will be A plus 2D, and this A3 is, okay, here has been given 26, so it will be equal to 26. Now just put the value here. A equal to, we have 2 plus 2D equal to 26. Now 2D equal to 26, and this 2 goes to RHS and becomes minus 2. Again D equal to 26 minus 2, 24, and this 2 also goes to RHS over here, and this 2 can divide 24 by 12. So here D equal to, we have obtained 12. Now we can easily find its second term by using general form of AP. Actually here we need to find A2, and A2 can be written as A plus D, and here A equal to, we have 2, and D equal to, we just obtain 12. Now A2 will be 2 plus 12, 14. In this way we have obtained its second term or A2, which is 14. Now question number 2, which I have already copied over here, and in this AP here will be first term, that is A, and this is A2, and here will be A3, and this is A4. Now according to this question, here we need to find its first term, that is A, and third term, that is A3. So firstly let's find its common difference, and as we know, according to general form of AP, this A2 can be written as A plus D, and it is equal to, okay, here it has been given 13, equal to 13. Okay, let's assume this is equation 1. Again, this A4 can be written as A4, okay, can be written as A plus 3D, and it is equal to, here has been given A4 is 3, equal to 3, and this is equation 2. Now let's subtract equation 2 from equation 1, and in doing so, the sign of the terms which are getting subtracted will be changed. So sign of this A will be changed into minus, and this sign of 3D will be changed into minus, and here will be also minus. Now this a and this a can be cancelled out, and here minus 3D and plus d. After subtracting, we obtain minus 2d equal to, and here also plus 13 and minus 3. After subtracting, we obtain 10. Now d equal to 10 by minus 2, and 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Finally, we obtain d equal to minus 5. Now we can easily find our required terms, right? So firstly, let's put the value of d in equation 1 so that we can obtain our first term, right? And our first equation is, okay, let's solve over here. A plus d equal to 13. Again, a plus, okay, d equal to, we have just obtained over here minus 5 equal to 13. Now a equal to 13, and here plus into minus, minus, and this minus 5 goes to RHS and becomes plus 5, and finally we obtain a equal to 13 plus 5, 18. This is our first term. Okay, let's fill over here. First term is 18. Now let's find third term, and this third term can be written as a3 equal to a plus 2d. A equal to, we have 18 plus 2 into d equal to, we have minus 5. Now 18 as it is, and plus into minus, minus, and 2 5s are 10. Finally we have obtained a3 is 18 minus 10, 8. Okay, in this way we have obtained its third term, that is 8. Okay, let's fill over here. Third term is 8. Question number 3, and here this is a, and here will be a2, and here will be a3, and this is a4, and here we need to find its second term, that is a2, and third term, that is a3. Okay, for that let's find its common difference, and according to general form of AP we can write this a4 will be a plus 3d, and it is equal to, okay, here has been given 9 whole 1 by 2, 9 1 by 2. Now a equal to, we have 5 plus 3d, and let's simplify this. 2 9s are 18, and 18 in 1, 19. 19 by 2. Again 3d equal to 19 by 2, and this 5 goes to RHS and becomes minus 5. Now let's assume here 1. 3d equal to, and LCM of denominator will be 2, and here will be 2 ones are 2, and 1 should be multiplied with 19 and obtain 19 itself, minus, and 1 2s are 2, and 2 should be multiplied with 5, and then we obtain 10, and here will be 3d equal to 19 minus 10, 9 by 2. Now d equal to 9 by 2 by 3, and it can be written as 9 by 2 into 1 by 3, and here 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and finally we have obtained d equal to 3 by 2. Now let's find a2. Okay, for that let's proceed to another page. a2 can be written as a plus d. A equal to we have 5 plus, and d equal to we have obtained 3 by 2, and let's assume here 1, and LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2, and here will be 1 divides 2 by 2, and 2 into 5 10, plus 2 divides 2 by 1, and 1 into 3 3. Now a2 equal to 10 plus 3 13 by 2. Okay, in this way we have obtained a2 is 13 by 2. Okay, let's fill over here 13 by 2. Now let's find a3. a3 can be written as a plus 2d. A equal to we have 5 plus 2 into d equal to we have 3 by 2. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and here remains 5 plus 3, then finally a3 equal to 5 plus 3 8. In this way we have obtained a3 equal to 8. Okay, let's fill over here a3 equal to 8. Now question number 4, which I have already copied over here, and in this AP this is A, and here will be A2, and here A3, and here A4, and here A5, and this is A6. Now let's find its common difference. For that, this A6 can be written as A6 equal to A plus 5d, and it is equal to 6. Now A equal to we have minus 4 plus 5d equal to 6. Again 5d equal to 6, and this minus 4 goes to RHS and becomes plus 4. Now d equal to 6 plus 4 10, and this 5 goes to RHS over here, and now 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. In this way we have obtained d equal to 2. Now we can easily find its missing terms by adding common difference to its consecutive terms, right? So firstly, let's find A2 by adding common difference to first term. Okay, let's solve over here. Our first term is minus 4 and common difference is 2. So plus 2, then we can obtain A2 equal to minus 2. In this way, here we have obtained our second term, that is minus 2. Similarly, when we add common difference to second term, then we can obtain our third term. So our second term is minus 2 and common difference is 2. So we obtain A3 will be 0. A3 will be 0. Similarly, when we add common difference to A3, then we obtain our fourth term will be 2. Similarly, when we add common difference to fourth term, then we can obtain our fifth term. Fourth term is 2 and common difference is 2, then we obtain 4. It is fifth term. Now last question, question number 5, and here we need to find A3, A4 and A5. For that, firstly let's find its common difference over here. And according to general form of AP, this A2 can be written as A plus D, and it is equal to, okay, here it has been given 38, and this is our first equation. Similarly, this A6 can be written as A plus 5D, and it is equal to minus 22. This is our second equation. Now let's subtract equation 2 from equation 1, and in doing so, the sign of the terms which are getting subtracted will be changed. So the sign of this A will be changed into minus, and sign of 5D will be changed into minus, and here will be plus. Now this A and this A can be cancelled out, and here minus 5D and plus D, after subtracting we obtain minus 4D equal to, and here plus 38 and plus 22, after adding we obtain 60. Now D equal to 60 by minus 4, and 4 1 ja 4, 4 15 ja 60. In this way, here we have obtained D equal to minus 15. Okay, now put this value of D in equation 1 so that we can obtain its first term or A, right? For that, let's proceed to next page. Okay, we have d equal to minus 15, and our first equation is a plus d equal to 38. A plus d equal to 38. Now a plus d equal to, we have minus 15 equal to 38. Now a equal to 38, and here plus into minus minus, and this minus 15 goes to RHS and becomes plus 15. Now finally we obtain a equal to 8 and 5, 13, 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5, 53. In this way, here we have obtained a equal to 53. Okay, now let's fill this value of a over here in the box. Okay, a equal to, we have obtained 53. Now let's find a3, and a3 can be written as a plus 2d, and here a equal to, we have obtained 53 plus 2 into d equal to, we have minus 15. Now 53, and here plus into minus minus, and 2 15s are 30. Now finally, after subtracting 30 from 53, we obtain a3 equal to 23. In this way, here we have obtained third term or a3, which should be written over here a3 equal to 23. Okay, now let's find a4. a4 can be written as a plus 3d. A equal to, we have 53 plus 3 into d equal to, we have minus 15. Now 53, and here plus into minus minus, 15 3s are 45, and after subtracting we obtain a4 equal to 8. a4 equal to, we have obtained 8. Now let's find a5. a5 can be written as a plus 4d. A equal to, we have 53 plus 4 into d equal to, we have minus 15. Now 53, and here plus into minus minus, 15 4s are 60, and finally we obtain a5 equal to, after subtracting 53 from 60, minus 7. In this way we have obtained a5 is minus 7.